Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Toyota Tacoma spare tire. First, you'll need to gather your spare tire tools. These are typically found neatly stowed under the rear passenger seat. Simply lift the seat cushion to reveal a compartment containing a pouch. Inside, you'll find several metal rods and your lug nut wrench, which are all crucial for the next steps. Now, let's assemble the lowering rod. Take the individual rod pieces from your kit and connect them together. They usually snap or slide into place, forming one long, sturdy tool. Make sure the piece with the curved or hooked end is at the very tip. This extended rod is specifically designed to reach the spare tire's lowering mechanism, which is located deep under the truck. With your rod assembled, it's time to lower the tire. Look above your rear license plate for a small access hole. Insert the hooked end of your assembled rod into this hole, guiding it until it engages with the square-shaped lowering mechanism. Once engaged, use your lug nut wrench as a handle and turn the rod counterclockwise. The spare tire will slowly descend on its cable until it reaches the ground. Finally, detach and remove the tire. After the spare tire is resting on the ground, pull it towards you to give yourself some slack in the lowering cable. Reach into the center of the wheel and locate the metal retaining bracket. This bracket holds the tire to the cable. Turn the bracket 90 degrees or 1/4 turn, and then pull it through the center hole of the wheel to free the tire completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.